BK Precision's DAS30, DAS50, and DAS60 high-speed multifunction recorders have a user interface that makes setup and analysis easy. I will start by demonstrating how to configure a channel. From the Start screen, click the Home button. Then find and click the Channels button. This will display a spreadsheet-like screen of all channels. We can see their current configurations at a glance. Across the top are all available channels. Down the side, in dark blue, are the available options. These options allow you to configure the channel name, measurement type, filter options, and functions. The measurement range, center, maximum, minimum, along with triggers T1, T2 thresholds are also on this screen. Here, on the left, we can see channel 1 is enabled by default. When configuring multiple channels with the same parameters, the Copy to Channel function is very helpful. Start by clicking the box with a colored circle. Next, click the Copy to Channel button. Select the target channels. Now enable each channel with the checkboxes on the left. As you can see, this is a real time saver for configuring multiple channels. To save the configuration file, which contains all settings of the recorder, click Home, followed by Setup. Now click the Save on Disk button. Click the keyboard icon on the right. Type in the name of the configuration file. We will name ours Test for this example, and click the green check mark to accept. Here it is displayed in the folder. Now let's copy this file to a USB drive. Click the test file, then this icon that looks like a drive with an arrow to USB, select the green check mark, and we're finished. As you can see, the user interface has been well thought out, and when combined with the touch display, it makes setup of these recorders smooth and uncomplicated. For more information on these or any other products, go to bkprecision.com or click the link below.